how to fix ChatGPT error. Our system detected unusual activity. So if you want to fix the error on ChatGPT, which says our system detected unusual activity, then the first thing to understand is this error usually appears when ChatGPT detects suspicious signals from your device. This could be due to VPNs, unstable internet, or even app settings that are blocking proper communication. So let's start. First step is to check your internet connection. You need to go to your phone settings or go with your control center and make sure that your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is working properly. Or you can just simply switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi, which can help. The second step is to check the VPN. Just go with your settings, and under settings, once you check your Wi-Fi, you need to just scroll down and then go with VPN. If your VPN is connected by any source, then you just need simply go and try to disconnect it. ChatGPT sometimes blocks traffic through certain VPNs. But if you're not using a VPN, then try connecting one instead. It might bypass the issue depending on your location. The third step is to manage the ChatGPT app permissions. Or you can just simply scroll all the way down and you'll find the apps right here. Tap on apps. And from the apps, you need to find ChatGPT and tap on the ChatGPT. After that, you need to go with the permissions right here. In my case, I've allowed many of the permissions, but if you've not allowed the permissions, you need to just go and allow the permissions. And after allowing the permissions, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then go back and then scroll down a bit on your settings and go with general. And general, you need to go with iPhone storage. From the iPhone storage, you need to scroll down and then find ChatGPT right here. Go with show all and then scroll down again and tap on ChatGPT. And here you need to go and offload the app. Once you've offloaded, you need to again go and reinstall the application and it will fix your problem. That's how you can fix your system detected unusual activity problem on your ChatGPT. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.